Hi guys, welcome to our channel. In today's video, I'm just going to show you guys a little bit about my day, not the whole day, just a little bit of what we do on a Friday. Today's Friday. It's the summer still. My kids are still in their summer break and they are going to start school in less than 2 weeks in August, the beginning of August. So before they start school, we are going to go to the library, check it out. They're gonna see if there's any cool books they want to read. And after here, we are going to the grocery store. We are going to make a new dish. I've never made this pasta before. It's a linguine. I forgot the name. Something. I saw it on YouTube and I'm going to try and make it at home. It has shrimp and linguine pasta, but I forgot the full name. And then I don't know, I might record when I'm making the pasta or when it's finished, and if it's good I will tell you guys for you to make it.
Me and my brother will rate it.
Oh my gosh,
I want to rate it.
she always rates my food. I don't know why she's
if it's
into
new. If it's new.
No, you rate all my foods. Not only if it's new. And maybe later in the afternoon we might go visit my sister. My sister just had a baby a week ago, and we're gonna see how the baby's doing, how she's doing. And her husband.
We saw her on the phone and she was like, oh.
Yes.
She had a hiccup.
So okay guys, so this is what we're doing. I might post this video in August, sometime in August. I want to schedule my videos so it can be a little bit easier. My camera's a little crooked. So as you guys know, I'm going into a transition with my channel and I want to do a little bit things more planned and upload more often, and I have to plan them out so that I can upload more often and see what I'm going to post about. So hope you guys enjoy this channel and this video. I mean, have a beautiful day. Just kidding, I'm not ending the video yet, but let's go to the library. Hi there, we are out of the library and my kids got their books. I was just sitting there. I'm sorry about the background noise. That's my kid, my little one, my
Mischief one.
anyways, Melody got 3 books. She's going to start reading them today. Well, she's gonna start reading one, and then when she's done, she's gonna read the next. And so I didn't get a book today. I've been trying to find this book, but every time I come to the library, it's already checked out and it's on hold. It's just very popular, I guess. It's by Mel Robbins. It's the Let Them, I believe it's called. It's a green book. You guys have probably seen it. So I'm trying to find a good book. Let me know in the comment section if you have any book recommendations. Any kind of book except scary books. I don't like scary books. I do have some books at home, so I guess I'm gonna finish reading the books I have. I want to start reading the Bible more. It's just a very big book that is hard to follow. Like, I don't know. I need a guide to tell me like how to read it and so on. But yes, do you want to show the books that you got, Melody?
Yeah,
Let me just set the camera right here. And we've spent probably about an hour here. I don't know, we were here for a while. I was just on my phone trying to edit the video that's going to be out. It's already out. By the time you see it, this one, it's already out.
Which video?
It's a video that I did. So anyways, show your books, Melody.
Alright, so I got this first book that I got is this. Well, the first book that I saw and gotten was this book. I've been getting these books every time I go to the library. I get one of these books.
I think you have read maybe 2 of them, right?
Like fully.
of two of the.
Yeah, I've
This
read
kind.
2 of these kind. And
What
I
is it,
think-
Junie B. Jones?
No, that's not the Junie B. Jones. Junie B. Jones is the purple.
Oh, okay. But what is this? I
It's
forgot.
like
Judy, Moody, and Friends. Junie B. Jones is very old. It's a very old. Anyways.
it's a very old book, but my teacher, she used to read it to us.
So this is a chapter book, and I've read with her before bed when it's not too late. We read together. But yeah, this is one of the books she got. And what's the other one?
And the second one that I found was since it's almost time to go back to school, I decided to get this one. It's the second one that I found. Is The Noisy Classroom.
Oh yeah, there will be lots of noisy classrooms when you go to school. Okay, next one.
And then also got, you guys probably already saw it already. It is Junie B. Jones' book. It's a graduate girl. It's
Graduation.
actually my first time starting
Reading
to
that one?
read. No, it's my first time starting to read Junie B. Jones.
Oh, I think you're gonna love it. Love.
And because my teacher, Miss Camden, she used to read it.
I think Junie B. Jones is really fun for kids. And there's also, I don't know if where you live, but here where we live, there's a lot of they're called little libraries. They're free. So you are allowed to bring a book, one of your books, and put them there. You have to leave them, or it's best if you do, and you are able to pick a book and take, and it's free. So you leave a book and pick a book. And they just put one of those free little mini libraries at Melody's and Dylan's school. And it was really cool. They put it in the summer, so I don't think kids have seen it yet. So when they go back to school,
Only
You're
either
gonna
the
see
summer
that.
school or the karate classes. I go to karate and summer.
yeah, they went to summer school for about 3 weeks, and it was more like a fun, I don't know, like a fun thing.
It's not my decision to go to summer school. I'm probably not going to go to summer school next year.
We'll see about that.
Probably not.
And they're doing karate right now. It's almost over because school is about to start.
Fingers
Melody.
crossed I passed my test.
You did good, Melody. She's talking about karate. You got me confused for a bit. I'm like,
Fingers
what test?
crossed I passed the test.
Speaking of test, my husband did a test today, and he didn't study for the test at all.
What test?
It's for work. I forgot the name of the test, but it's something for work. He needs to pass tests for his license and stuff like that, and he passed without even studying. I mean, he better pass because he's been doing that kind of job for a while, so he knows about that. So the test should be really easy.
And then
Yes.
about the books that my brother got, what do you want to show?
And then show your books, Dylan.
Oh, brother, I have 2 more things to show you guys. I got 2 bookmarks. I got this bookmark that says "Drawn to the Library."
Cute. Let me see.
Like,
Ooh, excuse me. You guys, okay, finish showing your bookmarks.
and I also got this one. And on the back, it's like name and like notes ask about book things.
Ask about book flicks.
Book things.
It's I don't know. I don't know. What's book flicks?
What's that? What's that? Comment down
We
below.
can check on the website.
Comment down below if you know what book flicks are.
And also, guys, if you go to your local library, or if you haven't, I really suggest you go because they do have a lot. Well, the library we go to, they do have activities, free workshops and stuff like that. I just found out, I was just looking at the papers because they have a bunch of papers, flyers and stuff, and they have one for Canva. I use Canva for my YouTube thumbnails. I've used Canva for invitations. I have used Canva for many different things. It's a good editing app, and they're going to have a free workshop at the library next month, and I'm excited for that because I want to learn more about Canva. Canva has a lot of things you can do, so it would be nice to go to a class and learn a little bit more of Canva. So I'm excited for that. And it's
Wait, I'm
free.
gonna show my brother's three books now.
Okay, just let's hurry up because it's 8 minutes, you guys. Time goes really fast.
Alright, guys. So, first book that I think he found was this Garfield book, the Garfield movie book. It's title and not show.
He said not to show. All right, guys. So we're gonna go to the grocery store. Go buckle up. Hey guys, we are finally home, and so we got the groceries and we are about to make dinner. We is me. I'm about to make dinner. And let me show you what we got. I don't have my tripod right now, so my phone is a little bit low. So we got 4 lemons because we need lemons for our recipe. We got tomatoes. We don't need tomatoes for our recipe, but we need tomatoes just for the day-to-day. And another thing that we got is lemonade. My boy picked the lemonade. He got strawberry lemonade, and my daughter got the pineapple juice. So we also got this Parmesan cheese that we need for the recipe. So this is something that we need. It's a part of the ingredient. And butter, unsalted butter. We're gonna need butter for our recipe. And we also got some garlic. We need garlic for our recipe. And pasta. I got the linguine because we are making shrimp linguine pasta. So this is what we need. And I got cilantro. This is not for the recipe. It smells good, by the way. This is just for maybe tomorrow for breakfast. And these are the ingredients that we're gonna be using. And let me tell you guys, the total of everything, it was $22.37 for all of this. And we are about to start our delicious meal. Hopefully it's delicious. I've never made it before. So let's go. So the first thing that we're doing is we are going to boil our water. So I have my water here, and I'm going to add a little bit of salt. Here's the salt. And we're just gonna let it boil. After it boils, I'm going to add the pasta, which is this one. Like I said, we are doing linguine, and I got the small box. I'm not sure if I'm going to be using the whole packet. Normally I don't, unless I want leftovers for tomorrow. So we'll see. And I'm also going to be using oil. I don't have a lot of oil. We need to get oil next time we go to the store. Sam's Club, that's where we usually buy our oil. And let me see. Well, I keep saying we, it's me. I am the one cooking. All right, turn that off. Close the laundry room. So I will be using shrimp. So this is the shrimp that I have. It's already cooked and clean, but I'm going to let it thaw for a little bit because it's a little bit frozen. And I will be adding some seasoning. You can do any seasoning that you have, or you can just do salt and pepper if you don't have any seasoning. This is the seasoning I use for most of my dishes. It's just a blend of different seasonings. So it is Dash. It's the original seasoning blend. I used to use the, look, I use it this much. I used to buy the smaller one from Walmart. It was like this size, but I needed to get a bigger one from Sam's Club because obviously we use it that much. And this is what I'm going to use to season my shrimp. Also, I don't know if I'm gonna start doing the shrimp right now or if I should wait until the pasta cooks, because shrimp is really easy to cook. I'm trying to find good lighting here. But yeah, okay, so this is the first time I'm doing this, you guys. Hopefully it comes out good. Also, I like this bread that I need to get out of the freezer. Where is this one? So I'm going to be using this every time I make spaghetti. I keep forgetting to take out the bread. So this is the one. It is a Texas toast and it has garlic. It's already seasoned and everything. I just need to put it in the oven and that's it. So this takes about, I don't know, a couple minutes, 8 minutes or less. So I'll probably do this at the end. I can either put it in the oven or on the stove. Checking, my husband's here. Okay, letting you guys know how it's going. So after my husband got home, I just finished cooking the meal and I was just having a conversation with him and I forgot to vlog. But here it is. Let me know in the comments if you would like the recipe and I can do a separate video, and it was 10 out of 10. Hope you have a beautiful day and I will see you next time.